So excited. This week's Where in the State. We are in Elgin.
Yeah, and you need to be paying close attention and look for that sign because you might be missing out on some of the best pizza you've ever had.
This story is courtesy of Cassie Hyder. She said it's the best pizza we're going to put in our mouth. Let's go find out.
As the sign says, welcome to Pizza Corral, Southwest Oklahoma's family-friendly, locally owned pizzeria. Owner Chris Hayes and his fiancée Cassie make their dough in-house daily for their pizzas, calzones, and cheese bread.
You can dine in or take out, but Pizza Corral's buffet is next level. Of course, there's pepperoni, but Chris throws in some no way pies too.
Native smoked brisket, Philly cheesesteak, mac and cheese, even a pickle pizza. That's really good.
There you go, Rachel's seal of approval.
Jeff, this all started when Elgin native Chris Hayes started working for his dad in the C-store they owned.
My dad bought the convenience store when I was in high school, and we had pizza then, and I learned how to make pizza, and I just like it. You can kind of do whatever you want.
Chris mentioned the open canvas. That's a great lead into Pizza Corral's ever-popular native smoked brisket pizza.
We wanted something for dinner. They had leftover brisket, and I was making a pizza. I was like, what if we put that on here? And we did it, and I was like, okay, this is good. This is really good. Everybody kept requesting it over and over and over and over.
It's worth the drive no matter where you're coming from.
It's just good pizza and a good nice salad.
One of those things you don't expect from a really small town.
You can have them any way you want.
That's awesome.
They're just great.
Their cheese bread is a hidden gem.
Oh my gosh, we've had so much fun at Pizza Corral here in Elgin. What are you doing?
I got my to-go order ready.
But where's mine? I ordered some. Wait, this cannot be all yours.
Yeah, I forgot to grab yours back there.
That's how good the pizza is. That's why you need to make plans to come to Elgin, right?
I can bring some to go.
Yeah. We're talking Pizza Corral. That's what you need to do when you come in. Say we saw it and heard about it right here on Where in the State. Now, where's mine? Seriously.